In this video I'm gonna create a cute avocado logo using Photoshop. So first I'm preparing my brush, then I create a new layer and I start sketching. It is a rough sketch, so nothing special here, just something to have as a reference. Now I'm creating a circle, and before I do something else, I will move everything in the center. I'm selecting the direct selection tool and I start customizing the shape. I will also need the guides for that, so I'm activating the rulers and I put these guides over here. I will bring the guides closer to each other so that I can improve the top of the shape, something like this. Alright, now I will duplicate the shape and make it smaller, customize it on top a little, and that's it. To create a seed we need another circle and make it brown. The colors can be changed later. So let's do the eyes now, create an oval and then duplicate it. And move them both in the center. So far so good, let's make now the mouth. Create an oval again, but this time make it horizontal, like this. And I will use the same direct selection tool to customize the shape and make it look like a mouth. Now I will duplicate the eyes and transform them into eyebrows. I know, these are the worst eyebrows you have ever seen, but it is what it is. So let's move on and change some of the colors. And I think we need a different mouth as well, so we need to create a circle and use only the stroke. Well, now looks a bit more decent. Also, let's change the eyes a bit as well, and the eyebrows I will leave them as they are. Let's add some highlights to the eyes and one to the seed as well. I think that this illustration / logo is gonna look much better with some strokes, so let's add strokes to almost every shape. Now I will go further and play with the colors and add some shadows as well. And voila, here is the before and after, a cute vector style logo created in Photoshop. Hope you liked this video, see you next time.